You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And as usual, I just want to give thanks to everybody, you know what I mean, who has support the movement, you know what I mean, who have been, you know, just did it with by a like, a share, a comment, whether by a phone call, whether by a text message on TikTok, Instagram, or wherever, you know, the thing already. So I have to just give thanks, you know what I mean. And yeah, man, this one is called Here Comes Trouble, you know what I mean. And I want to big up everybody that's a part of the movie, you know what I mean? Because this production, you know, you have to give them thanks, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we have Pinky, you don't know Pinky did it. We have Marika, you don't know so Marika did it. We have Petrine Morgan, you know what I mean? We have Omar Howell, coloring book boss, him just launched him thing named True World TV. Go and go check it out. And we have Trey, you know what I mean? And we have, who else we have? Bulby. How could I forget Bulby the Great? You know what I mean? And you have yours truly, myself, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, thanks again for being a part of this production and highly appreciate everybody, man. Trust me, we have to big them up because, you know, if you find time to do what we are doing, trust me, it take time and rain and fall and, you know, the west side and we don't know if you don't know where I'm going. So by 3 o'clock, rain mash down the place, you know what I mean? So you can't do nothing and things. So, you know, the days and we have to try to do it from early and so forth. So yeah, man, as me I said, I want to know, it's called Here Comes Trouble. So go and go watch it. I'm going to tap your eyes now and I'm going to see how I go and do the right thing. Like, share, comment, and, you know, share the thing, man. You know what I mean? Don't be shy, all right? Yeah, so guess what? You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
It's a constant battlefield, yeah. It's a spiritual field. Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstars. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor office strapped with bees. Same on the time just we call police, cause them take too long to read. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them in struggle for eat. Cause see that what is the end thing? Good is how the system, right that's how the system reads. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? I will living in a mental phase. Cause when I think about the great ones who fought for us, oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn to keep the fire burning. Now it's our turn to keep this fire burning. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual
You tell me say I reach your house 3 o'clock. How what time now?
Traffic.
Traffic.
The road right down there, so I don't know
Arena
what happened.
Fall.
Like police, they dig up the road down there so or something. I don't know what happened. But I think me care can give you still, you know.
Complete.
What owe you?
What you say?
I just want to look a
Wait,
bit, man.
hold on. What you say? What you say?
I don't owe you, but I just want to look a bit, just see with me now. Remember, I don't really depend on nothing now, you know. So
You know what I say? Me literally tired to help you. Every time I come, you say you're shot.
And every time I come, I shot. You know, I say nothing now go on for me. I know say if something did I go on for me, I would have give you full money. But me not having now. Just sit with me now.
So let me ask you a question. What you expect me to do? When every time you go out there, so I come back here, so is either it's short at 1 grand, it's short at 20, the highest is short at 30. Me can't constantly take money from out of my bag to put on that. Me have things to deal with, you know.
Me understand. But just sit with me now. Remember say me nothing now go on for me, you know. Just sit with me, man. Do me a beg you.
But you say you want in other business, yeah? Because at this point in time, you know, you're not showing no interest, you know.
I'm not showing no interest and every time when me pay money me pop up. But it's just that me always short.
You evaluate.
I don't evaluate, but
You need to be punctual.
listen, I don't have a car, you know. So I walk, me have to walk from all the way where me I come from, come here, so you know. So you have to understand, so you go take a little time. If me tell us, so me I reach so that the time they put one little bit more time on it, because I walk.
Yeah, put one little bit more time.
And traffic there on the road, so you know, so when time things are going on the road, me go there tap and I look and I wonder what go on there, so.
So you go tap and look and wonder what go on there.
Yeah.
So. You have things to deal with. You hear yourself?
Of course, me hear myself.
Me not think you hear yourself. Give me what you have. You see what me talk about? How much of the figure can give me?
I remember.
Father God.
5,000 with this figure.
I want this for me, dear Father. And how much this?
Then I have to make you world know, say.
How much this? How much this?
A disgrace, you want disgrace me?
How much this? How much you can give me a while ago?
So where you go do?
When me go do?
Yeah, where you go do?
When me go do? You see? I'm going to put in next 3,500 pan it. And 1,500 this. This is not even half I cash.
Thanks.
This is a quarter.
You done?
But no make it happen again.
Me try.
I last chance you have. You can't go on where you go now. Hey, me now, hey. Pinky.
Hi.
Oh,
Yeah, go on. Come in, girl. You ready for that place?
no, no, that's enough. I'm tired, me tired.
They are cool out, girl.
Realize.
Look at breeze, that blow just nice. And nice.
If you good for you in a cool man.
So,
I'm there going normal. Say they're ready for me.
yeah, man, ready for you. Hey, sit down now. I move so.
No, man, you look like, say, we did plan. Why two we not saying hairstyle?
Girl, I take me just the take off your hat to show you. Say, two of it in the same hairstyle, all the thing. Me catch it up in a so.
Oh, and me putting color in mine.
Where you are going? You see, having a friend like you, come like gold spoon in a mouth, girl. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see, now them a time, yeah. I know every friend say them a take up money and lend their friend. You see, some of them, they tell us that they have this for the with, they have that for the with, and I say them just a drag in your face all when I need it the most.
True.
So you see a friend like you, no girl, me respect you. Me rate you for what you do.
You don't have to say 40, man. You
Yeah.
got more where that came from, no.
I
And
respect
me
your
get in a
car.
situation too, you know. And we get help out too.
True.
So that's why the help that me get, me try to push it out back.
True.
Yeah.
I respect you for that, man, because you see, me the down, lowest point, and you just help me out. So, I'm grateful, man. Don't really say, man, I have a team. Have a thing, my friend. What is that?
Complete, not true.
Mm.
You see, a friend like you, me like no. Because you will tell me, you don't know America, you know one girl in America.
Yeah.
Me help out she too, you know. But the issue with me have with she now, you see when she borrow me thing and say, me will get it back such and such time, such and such day. In sometimes me have 5 hours late. We have to turn up and wait how long. When he do come, I like quarter time when he make come.
Alright, listen.
Sometime half. And another time none.
Alright, listen.
And me have to take it back out of my pocket and put penny. Me not like that
listen,
style
my friend.
because me will stop, you know. I choose me not have that type of heart, you know. Me just stop long time now.
No man, listen. What you don't understand is that, you know, sister, she want him away. No, me just a say. She not have it in a girl. You
If you
know
do better,
fear,
man.
no man, you still not understand.
You
You know
understand
fear
it, man.
situation. You know the little thing what she did in her that day. Or drain her and bring her down. Because she, you know, sister, she not have it. You can't. So there's something there.
Girl, what you talk about? What you talk about? How you feel mix business with friendship? Me not depend that. For you borrow me thing and tell me a specific day, you're supposed to give me that pan the specific day, and you're not supposed to be short. When you come to me not say, link me such and such day, or me not have enough. Me just take it out and give you. A matter of fact, right now, me just cut it long.
You want a little water?
Me don't want water, just cut the conversation. Me is not that type of person, no. But you see, when we come on to my thing, me no run joke.
Well,
None tall.
it is what it is. Me say, the girl not have it.
Well, she stopped
And
her
you
then.
know that too. So what kind of friend you say you be then? If your friend borrow something from you and she don't have it back in time for you, yeah, what you go do? You go name her for her head?
That's not the point. If you not have it that specific, you simply text me and tell me, say, alright then, me not have enough, you know, or me not get to reach pan this a day, me meet you somewhere else. Or me will come give you such and such time. But no, she not text and tell me that. If 1 hour late, they have to turn up in a sun. You know, you have to turn up in a sun. Plus, me have this long old piece of hair. I cut it out right now. Listen, me did that on the low and me try to build back myself. And it reach a one spot where it come like it a tear me back down. You know how hard me have to work for my money? You know how hard me have to work to make money go in my pocket?
So where you try to say me? I make it look like I'm a bad person.
I saw you make me look.
No. I your stupidity. Make it look like one bad person. It make it look like one damn idiot sitting right beside of me.
Me not take disrespect from people, yeah? Me don't take disrespect from people. So you know what me I gonna do? I gonna left your place. That me I gonna do, because me not take disrespect from people.
I say the dance. Me say I say the dance. If you say me and your friend so long, I say you did really dance, girl.
What you just say?
Me say if I see you the dance. If you say me and your friend so long.
Want bet to regret what you just say? You want bet me? Bet you forgot who you talk to?
What you say?
Oh, bro, me draw.
What you say?
Okay, expect me to run, not true.
No, what you say? What you really say? If me want regret what? In my own place, you come in and start asking me more regret what?
Don't say fast, yeah.
Mama, come out of my house.
Don't say
Come
fast,
out.
Miss
Go on
Pinky.
out of my house. Come out. Come me say, girl, me sweep you out.
Don't say fast, yeah.
In a 1 second, me
You
do
have
that.
my next guest coming. Just watch your head.
I
back.
wish next guest me have come. And next guest come kiss me, hey girl. Bust up on your face now. Bright and hotter than rubbish. Why? Come don't ever come in my area. No. I'll call you one. Alright. Marika. Boy, me don't know how you do Amanda. Me don't know how you do that a girl but where you there? Where you there? Which part on the road? Alright, may I forward now here? Yeah. Why? Max. So girl head really cheap off for me because she could have never come in my house. Won't do that. Rubbish. Girl, let's see a bamboo tree there.
Did that take too long to come somewhere? Come up here, so.
Anyways,
Oh,
I don't know how you do Amanda she. But the girl have you up for something. Imagine. Amanda come to my yard and I tell me say you borrow money from her you can't pay back.
I just
You're not-
3,500 me forget Amanda.
She say you not pay upon time and one bag of things she a chat out her mouth and rate it. So my life you know what make she have you up for.
I don't know what. Wait, you know what I feel like her from school days Amanda have me up, you know. One time she did like Bulby, but Bulby never like she. And me Bulby did like. So that's the problem. So true Bulby choose me over she. So she hate me from the time there. But true, you know, say well we are friends from school days, me they go through my problems. Amanda no one likes Amanda no know. She know all of me I go through.
So.
So me go borrow from her. And she know say me I go through my local struggles, so me pay her back when me got it. If me didn't have him, would have pay her.
So what on there? So girl is still vex over man. Anyways, you two enough do a car. If you know say the girl vex with you over the man, where you gonna borrow from the girl for?
Me never know say she still have me up. Look how much years that boy 4 years now. And she still have me up over that.
All I can talk about how me go regret what me just say and me go meet somebody. Me have to say, girl, come out of me house before me bust up your face.
Amanda going like him
Oh.
too bad. That me not like with him. Him too hype.
But
true.
anyways, you need to pay the girl. I let me come to tell her say, pay the
Me pay
girl.
her money when me get the money. And Bobby worthless too, you see. Me don't know what kind of man that me have. And he not even that help me go through my local struggles that me I go through. All thing ain't good for go up on road, some walk and argue with friends and something. Not even no time, no work, nothing at all.
Well, I'm the only one have sense. Cause me no go pick up no man who can help me. Anyways, me I can't go that's here.
So you can lend me 3-5 to get Amanda.
Why, my friend? If you tell you the truth, I have to go check me tomorrow. I want little money I come in the morning from my man. You understand? So you have to go check me. Just check me. Or matter of fact, to call me first. Yeah?
Alright. No
And then I
problem.
can get it.
Yeah man, tomorrow.
Yeah, later.
Ah.
What go on, baby? They are wait for him, do you cook yet?
That's all good for.
What?
Where you come here, son? What go on my baby for? Eh?
One dream me
Me
get
can't. What
tell
kind
her
of dream I get? So you
winning lotto number. So you go on with different way.
give me
No.
money where you have. Cause right now you
Which
know
money?
the crisis you're making now.
Which
And
money?
you come and start contact about your dreams a lot of number.
I mean winnings. We are winning no baby. Don't worry about money, man. We are winning money.
That's
That's
all.
why I gamble hard. Because my dream say we are going to win the lotto.
So make every time you have to blow a smoke in my face.
I'm out.
Give me, you
Show
not
me
care no money come give me. Wait, give me money we have now.
Just buy cash pot, I tell you.
Jesus Christ, man use it.
I tell
How
you,
much
say
money
my
are you- how much-
dream see lotto and I win it. In a lotto, my dream see number them. So I buy them with the money when I figure. We might win money and we might lose, but
Christ, this a man that come like you know no sense. The money where you forgive me, Bulby. Mean to God, you go gambling while I money, Bulby? If while I money, you go gamble?
I know me, you know. I when I reach I place, the temptation I place just tempt me, I have to just start gamble. Just the place alone. I don't have no money left till we win look more.
Oh, you sure say you go win?
Me say me
Dream no walk straight.
My friend buy it to say if me no win, him I go win.
If you know, you
Yeah.
hear yourself, you say your friend buy it too. I see him number your friend buy.
No, I know the same number him get for him dream, me get for me dream.
So why you wanna get dream?
Me no know it's like a sign God a show say we are gonna win.
Mama, blows and skirts.
And the last
go
money
on
me
that
just take
stuff.
and buy craving here, cause you know me can't go without
Give
my
me a
craving
craving,
here.
give me a craving here. Look, this is your waste some money. God,
So me can deal with my craving here, so.
yo, Bulby, God know me not feel like this will work out, you know. Because every time I then sitting there, you do, every time you forgive more money, is either you go gamble or you go buy weed for go sell back somebody, and then that no work out, and that not go work out. Every time you forgive me money, you gone down the drain.
What you want me do?
More money, me and people for pay back.
How you want me go TV?
If I that I forgot do you forgot do it.
A
You know.
TV want me go TV. So if me not have it, what you want me do? Me go take your last money and buy cash pot cause my GMC winning number.
But me tell us me need the money,
And
me in
cigarette.
need that money.
Me no remember, you know, when me reach right around there, so me remember everything, you know, say, you say you want the money. Me no remember. What you want me do?
I
Me see
better say
winnings.
if you did want something, you would remember say you want something. But if you give me money,
Then
you
no,
don't
that's why me
remember.
come on and ask you if you cook, cause me remember say you say you go cook. So me have, remember you say you go
Murder.
cook.
So I food I remember. So how for money go use buy food stuff to cook?
Then think you have food stuff over there.
Me not
already
have
to cook.
no over there for cook.
So
No,
when me
no
a go,
over
so
there.
me a,
Me don't know where you go yam. Me don't know. Cause go on your mother yard, go on your friend yard, go on somebody's yard, go yam. Nothing on the defin yam tonight. And you cannot sleep at the house tonight. I'm not gonna be there.
so true you not gonna be there, me not be sleep there.
Yes.
What kind of woman you say you be?
What kind of man? What kind of man you say you be?
Yeah, opportunity we a look fit me and you want to go and ask me what kind of man. Alright, right now I'm winning bomba lotto right now. Me know you go glad and me know you go want more than way me forget.
My God, you're not winning yet. When you're winning, we cross that bridge. But like you're not winning now, let we stay right here, so.
So you say you want me do? Go thief. Me not go thief, you know, cause police right now, me say them a beat man hard out there, you know. And me not go out there, you know, go sit down because you know when me go thief and carry money come give you watch me go to jail and you there road and enjoy for yourself. What you take me for? Me have to take my time, my friend. Remember say no work now and go on. So me have to make sure say
Enough construction what me see are going down there, so go and go push
me no
two barrel.
me no see them.
Oh, you know what you mean?
Me no
You're
see them.
blind?
You look so, but me no see them.
Oh,
Me no see
already-
them. Me no see
already.
them. Me no see them.
What you mean you not see them, Bulby? Alright, me go carry down
No,
power
me no want you carry me down there neither, but me no see them. Me no want you carry me down there neither.
What me I do with you? What me I do with
Me
you?
no-
You come like some crosses in my life.
Boy, that's how you go, you know. Remember say, you know, a one cross God carry and sometimes we have to carry more than one sometime. I just how you go. I just life.
Bulby,
Mm?
Bulby,
Mhm.
me need money. Me want money. me in need of money. Me a struggle. Me need money.
And I mean you need it from.
And you know what?
Come,
Later, me not
give me
say
my
that.
craving here now.
Me a dash you.
Me want dash me craving here for. If me not me craving here, me can't hold a meds
Me
win
no
the next money. You know.
business.
Jaja. Alright, yeah, I'm going down on my virgin.
Yeah,
What?
you good?
Good man. Like, I'm surprised, you know, tell me say tomorrow you come.
Baby, know you go already, you know. Tomorrow is deadline. Tomorrow. I have to forward by tomorrow, but you don't know my thing go.
Nice.
So what happened?
Me there here. You alright?
So far, so good. It's like, more want to come spend the night with you, but you know, you go already, me can't really stay too long for a certain spots. You don't know anything, you know?
I'm a feel say you don't sleep. You don't
Come on.
sleep here tonight.
No, you are going. That me I come sure from tonight, say. Me I go find the commission, but me can't too tarry. You know what I mean? Can't too tarry. Are you alone there?
Yeah.
Your friend them come and pass through.
Amanda passed through.
Amanda.
Yeah.
She come back?
Yeah.
Eh?
She passed through earlier.
What you said to me?
Yeah.
Nice. You know, so them girls still not tell us straight and plain, don't make them come back to your place. Don't make them come back to your place. Enough things are going on when you know about, but them the girl them mix up in a whole heap of things. You understand me I say? Sometimes them come around you and you know you're not gonna know until it's too late. So don't make nobody see you and she apart, talk, or link up certain way, kinda make no sense. You not take money from her.
Just one time
Wait. You not take money from her.
Just one time I borrow from her, but I give her back her money.
Listen to me I say. What you have me for? What me big in your life? Talk to me now, man, and stop going like you want to hold up
Take
things.
care of me and take care of all of my expenses them.
No that man. What you have man fight? Me a man nothing.
No, me borrow it before she go away. So when she come now, me give her back her money.
Yo, I'm telling you this. Is either you with me or you with them. It can't be me and you and them. Cause I don't tell you already right now, if you never know that girl and mix up in her things. Nobody feels say sometimes some people live some life and look some certain way, feel like say them clean. They're not clean, girl. You ask me, I say, you see fear man will give her money. And money give her, you know. And make she come up certain way, you know. So don't make she trick you with all these things and feel like say she work for her. She don't work for nothing. You understand me, I say?
Yeah, me understand.
You hear what I'm doing, and when you do here? I just the front
know.
piece one, eh?
You know what I do? I just the edges them, me sleep them off.
You sweep them off?
Yeah.
Alright, you are going. Tomorrow I have the commission. See? But listen, I can't carry this. I'm gonna lock it off for me. See?
Jesus Christ. No.
You wanna
Me
lock
can't,
it off? You mean say,
me can't lock it off. Me no want to mix up in them or something. Yeah.
listen to me. Don't bother the foolishness. You sure say you alone there?
And me alone. Look.
Gonna stick for me. That me a talk about you, man. Then sell me one thing, but it's like it a stick.
Bye, Wally, so.
Oh,
Wally.
listen to me, I say, yo, I'm a professional, man. It's me I talk about. Carry this for a mission now, man. I have to feel, watch it, gonna stick. Imagine me go up on a mission now and say me have a fire. And can't fire. Eh? Hold on, I'm soon clean now. I talk about man, give me a thing right now. See right now, a man better give me back my money, you know. That me I talk about, you know. Can you imagine me go, it's a mind time to come check in, babe. I'm going to drop it off, you know.
So why you not leave there something there alone?
Yeah, your mouth. Yeah, what you say? If me leave this alone, you know, see me back here, sir. That me I tell you, hold on 3 bullet here. Stop when I get afraid, man. The my thing I protect you. 200,000 back. So me say, you know, I will see me tomorrow. And I can't carry them stuff with me because I'm not sure, you see it? So that I will lock off. So if no man to follow on so you know if you use it. You squeeze this up. And you squeeze this, you pull this up. You understand? Yeah. Just like that.
So how you put in them back? How you put in back you bullet
You
them?
hold it down. Right there, sir. You see that now? This are the
Alright, let
the
me
thing of
see.
bullet. No man, left you alone. Enough in left here. Easy squeeze. See? So apart from everything good.
Yeah.
I'm long to see your girl. I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna take a quickie. Come here.
Yeah, me they are going normal. That's our next topic.
Watch ya. You're back in
Hold on,
town.
me too call back.
Looking beautiful as ever.
Mm.
No say a mama me di say me a carry the mango you go give out. Me see you. Them nice you see.
You see?
How
From the time, me and you used to, well, we used to go to the same school. And me know to God say you didn't know something like you.
You do like me?
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Yo. How are you there? Come check me up. Come check me up on my yard. No.
My mind. Oh.
How you going?
Come in again.
What happened? What happened?
Me can't trust you.
What you mean? Of course I can't trust me with the money you give me. Oh,
I have the money figure here, you know.
yeah. So
But. There's something. I go show you. And make sure say. Me not go hear it back out in the streets.
how happened? How? My dear, how you fit take out them and they have the place open up so? Hmm? You want people see and call police for you?
Alright, listen. Open back the door. You see Rona so? A private place.
Me not open the door. You
Listen
don't
up. You see Rona so? A private place. Nobody not come around so. I tell you. Nobody. You see all the way somebody come around here. I me call somebody around here. What you know? You know if you use it?
What do you mean? We don't want to know about it.
Alright, you want like know how to put it.
I don't know. Can't do that.
You want know how to put it in the bullet. Or to take out. Hey,
Where bullet no?
hey. Huh?
Give me bullet now. Then I know empty.
Mama, you know about this something here?
Girl, my father have bullet for them that sitting here, you know. So that's when me they grow up now. My father used to show me my sister how to use them. So I suck on we know how to use them. And you just said so. I'm a gay, I'm a little one.
No.
When I took out my t-shirt, then I have them in.
Yeah, but me want to learn, me will do it now. Show you.
You want to do it now, show me?
Yeah. So,
Who
Yeah,
get this?
you don't worry about that.
Make sure say no banger on you in you know. Because me know want if was so me go take this fire and put my hand pan here, I'm not even know who fight. See, me whole of my fingerprint gone pan you know. If police ever catch you, me you gonna jail, cause fingerprint the pan. Jesus Christ, you know, for you.
Alright. Listen now, Mama. Cause
Put on gun.
you see right now, we catch this in a no time. I'm respect you for that.
Mm-hmm.
You are going now. You know me,
Murder! You don't know if you was gonna never find the palm me, Jesus Christ. Put on gun. Put on your gun.
Mama, you can't just simple well go so. Show you. Cause this a stick. Can't just simple well go so. And clap on your head.
Hey!
You
Give
get
me
what
a
me
gun.
say?
Give me a gun.
So
Give me a gun.
Listen now,
Give me
relax
a gun.
yourself, man. Just relax
Put on
yourself.
your gun, man. You don't know if you
Relax
was gonna
yourself.
hear the panty palm people.
Relax yourself. You never know if you did who to put in them and would have turn either right now and still have
So
figure
no
out
idiot
how to
your
do it.
turn.
How I that me turn? Listen,
Cause you're
Mama.
panty palm me. That simple means you're turn idiot.
Listen, Mama. They are come from far though. They are friend. How much years now me are friend?
12 years.
Alright, so me can't. Huh?
12 years.
12 years.
12 years. How much years?
Alright, don't worry yourself. Me can't hide nothing from you.
Go
You know,
on.
say my man carry come give me the lock off.
How can I recommend my police?
Mama just cool, no man. The man a police. But he give me this of a lock off. I feel bad, you know. When he show me inquisitive and me want to know how to use this shit, me have to call you. Because remember, you
So
know,
wait.
if Quacker can catch his shot, we must catch.
Hurry.
Okay. So me flippy. So you are going now. Don't tell nobody, say. Me show you this.
Girl, I look like informer. So I can be a call. I can call Amanda.
You're mad. Call Amanda. You must be sick in your head. Watch you now. Oh, you run a while ago, you know. I feel like 2 years ago and people go lay all a things say sitting and happen over here, you know.
Yeah, because you so report come me, me have to feel like something wrong with you. That's why I run come over here.
Watch you now, Mama, just watch you. Later me call you. Be
So
right.
give me money you have to give me.
Check good right now. I don't know what me have to do.
Yeah, right.
Me bomb. A long time I don't see man like you still in my G.
Real talk, man. Real talk. We know you think already.
What go on? Because I know you only just pull up so suddenly, you know, if I know nothing go on now. What go on?
Real talk, man. But here what go on still. See? Based on circumstances, you're going to need the services to come sort out one of the things.
No, what you
Yes,
talk
sir.
about? What you talk about?
Brother,
What
you
kind-
don't know few thing already, brother.
No, man,
Also.
right now, to me see it, you know, my brother, right now. What the police boy, they hold me. Me low up on cash and be things are going on for my life. Right now, what day me get locked up. You know, the man they say to me, if they ever see me back out there, a
What?
problem.
So you're afraid of police?
I'm not afraid of police, my brother.
So what then?
No, man.
Brother, you can't afraid of us, brother. That's how we start from, brother.
No, man.
See, I
Oi.
because if your thing cut down, you feel
No,
like... Yo, listen.
no, I don't cut down, my friend. I don't cut down, say that, man. Watch out, man.
So what then?
You know, say me is not a man for bail out for certain things.
So what you do now?
But watch out, no, man.
What you do right now?
Right
No
now,
bail,
right,
bail,
no,
bro.
police are watching by you. Police are watching.
if it's a
brother.
police don't
no,
watch
me don't know if them are watch you. They
If
never.
it's a police don't watch me.
You see,
brother,
there when they hold me, they never hold you. So you never got your interrogation when me got you just because me no want uno get beat up. You see it?
Yo.
I know you
Yo,
gonna tell
yo,
me, say me.
Listen me I say. Listen
Yo,
me-
it makes sense to go on, you know,
Listen me
you.
I say.
Makes sense to go on, because I can't manage phone.
Well,
Can't manage phone
yeah.
style, you know.
Look, I ever have a change of plan. See?
Can't manage phone style, man. You have to
Yeah,
go
so-
on, man.
Me soon far.
Right now,
Yeah,
me
me soon
have
far.
plans.
Listen me I say. See?
Me have plans
What kind
right
of plans
now.
you can have, bro?
Yeah,
Yo,
man, with my life.
hustler life
Yeah,
will
man,
start
nah,
out,
man,
you know,
right.
we have to
Yeah,
continue.
you start out hustler. Me
We
never
live
has a
by
house.
the gun and we die by the gun, bro. That's
No.
how things. I Bible say it, you know, no me say it, you know.
Alright.
So
Go
we
on,
are say right now.
watch out, man.
No.
Make sense. Watch out, you see, if you go die by a gun, no die, you say, you know, make sense. You go down, let's go die.
Brother, remember say.
No, man.
Yo,
oi,
you know,
watch out.
listen to me. I be talking, you talking.
Ah, what you say?
Listen to what me
Alright,
say
what you
right
say?
now.
What you say? What you say?
Right now, me have 500,000 for collect in a night.
Mm-hmm.
How much you have in your pocket? Not even $1.
No, man. Watch out, man. No
Because
worry about
me,
that.
me, I hear what going on, you know.
My baby,
Listen,
them
listen
make
me, I
me
say,
get
no, man,
things.
brother, you know, listen to that problem, bro. Sometimes you have to listen, bro. You can't just chat, so brother. You understand me, I say? Me, I say it again. Me have 500,000 for collect. How much you have in your pocket? Answer a question, you're a man or mouse. Answer a question. Talk now. How much you have in your pocket right now? You don't have no money right now, bro. You think pop down. You think me not hear what I'm going, bro? I show me the about. Brother, phone and social media make it thing close right now. So distance don't mean nothing. You see for your girl right now.
Oh, no, all your talking don't make sense to me for true, you know.
You know make sense?
That makes sense to me, my G.
I just say thing there.
I just say it right now.
So right now if
Yeah, man. Anything right now. Because I try to look a better life and it come like, you know, want pull me back in the life where I run from. You see it? Oh, no, make man go.
Yes, sir,
no,
you're there.
brother, no.
Brother,
You can't tell me when me there.
Brother, there's
You
no
can't tell me
there's
when me
no
there. No,
retreating from where you start from where you build from. Brother, me build the thing, you know.
Yeah.
And right now them a say, boy, for me soldier drop him style and standard. Brother, that make me look bad as a G in the street, you know. And if you know that. No, you are my soldier. And I see you every time and I say, boy, you know, public thing pop down. You're mad. Nothing can go so, bro. Right now, me I tell you, if you do so, because you know, yo, it's a for me woman, me tell you this if you never know. And for your woman a brethren.
Mm-hmm.
For your woman a borrow money from one. Yo, you can't have your woman and my borrow money, you can make money, Jay. You understand me I say? Think about it, man. And I say think about it, me I give you 5 minutes to think about it.
Watch out, my
Because
father.
brother, me say, if they hold you, know, you can't call my name and shout me, you know. That me I tell you, you know.
Then that go on what day?
Eh?
Then when they hold me what day, me no see no man, you know.
Yeah, because both, brother, you say a Cuba thing there, bro.
Yeah, me no see no man, you know.
Yeah, you can't see
Yeah.
this, so money reach back now.
Ah, money reach back.
Yeah.
And you have to go collect it.
Yeah.
You did go to Cuba with them, though.
No,
you
me
didn't go.
alone, me alone, brother, you hear, you know.
Me answer a question, me ask them.
Me alone forward over there, so.
Okay, and
So-
you're making money. So where money there where you go over there so far? And you go over there now
Yeah.
and you say you make
Yeah.
500,000
Yeah.
where they now?
Brother, the money for collect now.
You
That
man
me I
tell
try
me
to
about
you.
collect. You
So
go
if
over
money
there
for
fees.
collect right now, me just don't want to go there by myself and then more to pick up those shop. Because the boy them give me a strap, but
Chano.
the strap a stick, bro.
So
You
now
understand
I
me,
last apps me depend with the today, you know. I change my life, you know. I last apps
Which
this
change
day,
which
you know.
life?
I last apps me depend with the today. Watch out,
Not
man.
change to life. What you talk about? Life is you have one life we have to live. You can't exchange life. You can't go and shop to buy life.
Make sense.
Eh?
Me just live from around here. You know.
And that you
what to
say?
do, you know.
Alright, may I give you one decision right now.
Hmm.
If you step out of that zone right now, you don't know sit up on your own. Your decision.
Chana man, I last apps me depend when me no care if me want depend on my own. Right now me I lift up.
If you lift up from yourself out of that zone, yeah, remember every line of them pride, and this is my pride right now. Because we start the thing. So you decide what you do. 5, 4, 3.
Don't make up my mind, and I figure no more, you know. You tell the man, you see, since you now left, me do it right. Look at we link it right way. Because I feel like so now I'm going to make me go back a bum beat prison.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Babe. May I come link for the back here? 2 minutes. Meet when I back. That's nothing, man. That's easy. Take out the money time. Now forward. Everything there, so. You take out the money? Pinky, where you going there? Eh? Where you going there? You play the gun house?
Why?
Pinky, where you going there, Pinky?
It's like something there.
Eh?
It's like something there, you know.
You mean something to me? Yo.
Listen to me. Again, why you come back feet so fast?
What you
You
mean
never tell me, say. Me if you go and lock you off, so why you come back feet so fast?
Well, Pinky, don't make me feel and think certain way or pre certain way. Yo, me I talk to you, talk to me. What's in your ears? What's me I talk to? Hello?
Listen to me. Me no want you the man hang, me don't do it.
Go off my things right now, fast.
Go in the house, go feed yourself.
Oh, how you think I talk to? Eh? Yo, who you think you talk to? Who you think you do? Eh? Go feed things for me fast. Quick and fast. I no question me, I no ask me, you know. Go feed things, man. Yo, Jay. Yeah. Yeah, man, look at change the plan. Look at change the plans. Yeah, man, I want a violation of going and I'm going to start out certain things. See? Yeah, me soon forward. Yeah. Pinky!
Now come.
Yeah, man. 5 minutes. Yeah, we might need a new soldier. I know me now got step to certain things by myself. Me want to. Yeah.
Yo. Now we are doing.
How you do?
Say if I know we are
yo,
doing.
yo,
Eh? Hey boy, now we are
Yeah, I'm
doing.
so sure about.
Say if I know who we are doing. You want me bust a shot in your face?
So you play with the gun?
Lift up from yard.
Pinky,
What me say for you? Lift up from yard, idiot. Boy, you come back and choke me. Now we are playing with.
Alright, I say like it.
Lift up. I know where you are, the boy. That's like an idiot, man. Fool.
Ball best star, right, Perry?
I pray now, my jagger.
There, man. So just there, so build back, so. They
Boy.
can even look out there, yeah, them.
No, say, you know, some phone me dep on do night time, them go on freestyle.
So you move.
How me fear move,
So I go on where ground stay.
Young normal, my boy. Leave her to watch it, you know, me just go and live. Right now, till me see it.
So you know hear from here, boy.
Who that? Ranks.
Yeah, man, Bronx, man.
I'm to him.
Nothing to him.
Your friend him what day, man. I tell me say me and him go on one apps, but right now me dey on different vibes, you know, my boy. Right now.
Different vibes.
Yeah, man. Right now, me just go on normal, my brother. Me just go and live, smoke me craving here. You know them way there.
No, them
and buy
way
me
there,
cash pot and lotto. Cause I must win one day, you know.
You move like a old boy now, man, Bulby.
Kind of old boy, yeah, man. What
You
you
shake
talk
up,
about?
man.
Shake up how? But say what day I go up jailhouse, you know, dog. I mean, I say, no, me alone, bad man. So what you tell me about shake up for? What?
We
What
know
you
that,
talk
bro. You know, say,
Them the time there, like I pass, man.
Pass away. Brother, you see if I dey go in your experience, I mean the experience, you know attack this bad man. You see me, that's why me I try
Time
avoid the whole
change,
argument,
you
the
know,
whole
dog.
bomba 9 yard me I try avoid right now.
I tell you the truth, now. You alone me I'll tell this, now, dog. Use up all some of Bronx money, you know. Do a little investment, dog. You see it? You know how that go already, dog. You see it? Kinda link me from when you know how long now you not link me. Yeah, man. So I just say, you know, I use it, but I make it dog get it back, you know.
Tell us what you call link me, my boy, but feeling vibes are not my vibes, you know, because I'm going to do things I'm not upon right now, you know, my dog. Right now, I change all my life right now, and as I tell you before, you know.
Like your badness, water down, man, Bolby.
I say so, man.
Yeah, man, you water down, man.
No, man, I say so, man.
Yeah, I get a brand new tool, you know. Yeah, bro, see that.
No, so I don't even want to hold you, you know, because...
I'm going to make you hold it,
when you carry and show me it for.
Come here, make you see say you thing up, me dog, no boy, man.
See me there, I got grab me, but me take me and me pull back me right now.
Like a badness still in you, bro.
No,
Yo,
man, no.
believe.
No, you know me right there. So right now, me I try to avoid the whole badness, my friend. Not real life.
Check me, come check if you see if you're good still in, bro.
Good,
okay, you
no
know.
boy.
Yeah, with dog, you see, you done whole you out for you. You see me, you not say a word.
Boy, I just do, you don't even know you.
So you say.
You know, I'm there, dog. I go on normal as I tell you before. I'm not depend on one, depend right now, my dog. Tell you the truth.
Boy, Bolby, you know, say I move like a waste, man. You know, hold this, sir.
Dog, I eat that, my youth.
What do you mean?
Kinda good.
Yeah, move shaky, bad man. You put on your badness for. Yeah,
you put on the badness, brother.
What do you mean you not put on the badness, but cash pattern, this and that, brother?
But are they foolish?
You look like me a laugh. You look like me a
laugh.
You look like me a laugh. Yo, hold this.
General.
Killer, what you do it?
Yeah, man. Why pray?
I don't say.
At what time on your phone? Or your
At that time, just that time. I tell you, just that time.
I used to link you such and such time. I'm there so almost over the time we used to link you.
I don't know things, you know, traffic. We can't drive and move like normal people. You know, can't feel things different. But really and truly, I say still,
you know, remember what you want to say?
and no matter that, but you have to do a thing for me.
You know, for me, thing already, you know. Loyalty, you know.
That is
anything,
it.
you know.
That is it.
Stepfather, mother-in-law. Some of my sister them too. So
no,
that,
man, that's why I have to shout you. Here we go now, you see. I get violated by one girl who used to link up. I don't know if I remember one girl named Pinky.
Hold on, you get violated?
Violated, brother.
And you want it?
No, here I know. You see, sometimes when you play yourself careless and you let them a guard, you know, that I result. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you trust some people you feel like you can't
just
trust.
go and talk and fix up back your guard.
Yeah, man. So what I want to do, you know, wipe her out for me, you know, and thing. But do it in a one way where you're not going to lead back to me, you know? Like maybe, like you take out some things out of the house. You know what I mean? Or
plug out the Wi-Fi when you pick up back.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, something like that. Because brother, I tell you, say, I really and truly don't want to do it, but...
So one question. A good girl or he get trouble? Troublemaker, you know.
You see the thing about good girl now, sometimes you have to admit, say it before, I say it again. You have to differentiate the good from the girl. Because some girl, you know, them good, you know, but them far
no, the
from,
question
you know?
what me I say, if a girl go credit a shop with old people, because remember when you go credit a shop on your old people, anything happen to you, know, shopkeeper no
That is it. So right
you get
now,
what I say?
Yeah, right there, sir. So I said just do that for me and do it proper, because
so you want it ugly?
Today.
You want it ugly? As dark, or you want it?
I'm tell you, I don't want nothing trace back to me right now. So
right,
just do it as clean as possible. You know what I mean? Innocent.
Right.
You know?
You know you link me and me know see you.
You know, just the way I do, because you know you don't know anything.
Watch out, man.
You know me can't trust you now.
And me know you link you.
That is it.
Anything you say, big up yourself.
Alright, so.
You go different though.
Just ring the bird and let me know when you're done.
You have ambition?
Right away.
Alright, I say 40, my brother.
See?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You have lighter?
No, I'm left with by my base.
Alright, me get one. Big up yourself.
Alright. Respect our manners and thanks again. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know, a favor is a favor.
Yeah, no sorry, my brother, man.
Alright.
One more work again. Can't play my work.
I got a fetcher.
There in the Bronx, so go on.
There when you done my thing go.
I'm a lady want to come check me, you know. I'll go and feel soldier them.
Man, them have to do them work, you know. Every man have to eat them food, you know. You know,
True,
some people want to
true.
turn boss and all them things. You know, go already.
No, that, man.
So how things do? Everything level?
No good, you know, man. No, I feel like say I hide for you know, come I need to hide for no man. You
know
see me?
that. Know that.
It just check me right time and I just get the SIM card and drop it in. You see it? That's how comes they reach out to me.
Oh, cause
Yeah.
at one point, I really understood, you know, how really are going.
No, man, Bronx, if you wonder that.
That I truth, you know. Real youth, no real youth.
You mean?
So really and truly are the funds we forward for still, you know. They, you know. Remember that thing that we say go and hold on pan, because we get kind of tied up on certain circumstances.
Boy, Bronx, tell you the truth, you know. You use up the funds, you know.
When you say use up, it means like you use up few funds.
No, man. Funds where you are going to check me about right now, I tell you something, you use. See me one little thing, I'm fidel to it. And you say, no, I never want to use it.
Laugh, man. Laugh, no, man.
Bronx, a serious thing me I talk about, Bronx. You use up the funds, bro.
I think you remember, say, when I start out rope straps, they said to me, say, you can't go to Cuba because certain circumstances, you're afraid of water.
Yeah, man, the seasick business, you know,
Yeah.
I'm not too like this.
So, you have to use the money, yo, bro.
You take too long to check me, bro.
What do you mean, something take too long to check you?
Not tell us, say, you would. Look how much days, look how long now you're not check.
Yeah, because I don't tell you, I have to lay low on circumstances. Same circumstances where, you know, make you have to lay low too. But me, I say, no make it sound that way, because right now I must joke here, make Fletcher. Eh?
No, sorry, real something, man.
Eh?
Real something, man. I may even use that, man, and get all the chip, bro. Use some of my money and get all the chip, because you know, something not too one good, make nobody have my name, man. You see me? So, you know, a back deal. Business. You see it?
Fletcher, joke here, man. Sure.
So, if you go wait till me just bingo back, bro, and make you get back
What do
your
you
money.
mean bingo back? I don't understand. So, alright, push come to shove. How long you talk about now?
Yeah, month so.
Month end, brother?
Yeah, bro.
I second I month now, you know. So, I'm gonna stammer, brother. So,
Just give me some time, Bronx.
I can't get, bro. You can't say that right now and make me feel like, say, boy, I'm serious, I must joke, I joke. I'll right now I feel like a joke. I know you're a joker, you know.
Look, me serious right now, Bronx. Real serious. I tell you, use the funds, bro. God no, you know.
Brother, 6 months, you know. 6 months me outside.
And
you want to tell me,
eh? Bronx, and I need to show it.
No, I'm not that short, brother, but in any situation, right? If I'm in a case right now, I'm gonna need my things because guess what, I'm gonna work for it, bro. You know what I mean?
So yeah, try to say, Bronx, I'm say I get back your funds, brother.
Yeah, but you can't tell me about mountain, brother. Mountain?
Bronx.
One of fear, you know, brother.
Bronx,
That me I tell you, you know.
A mountain, me say, bad man. What you say?
You see all the thing where you give me a look like that? Nah, walking us all a Monday right now, you have to give back to you know.
You mean give back
What
money?
you mean? But everything good, man.
Bronx, when me sell you me thing, bad man, it a work. What you try to tell me, say? Me no respond to that again.
Betcha, so that road you take?
I don't know road me I take, Bronx. Me say me I give you money mountain, bro.
Mountain?
Mountain, Bronx.
Mountain?
Yeah.
I'm a boss.
Yeah, just big up yourself.
Yeah, man, big up
say now
yourself.
hear me now.
Nah, everything good, man, everything good. See?
Bronx, me know
See,
you feel
Fletcher.
now we in a Bronx, but I make you get the money, you know.
May I get it?
Yeah, I get the money, man.
Alright, boss. May I get it? Me get it now, man.
This man, I'll call on your gun and if you come for your money, yeah? Take me for some food, if you use that.
Pinky,
Jesus.
Pinky, Pinky. Pinky, want you focus. Focus. Question.
So no for me and focus.
Pinky, question. Who want you there?
Me and nobody not there, me one
Pinky.
there.
Me ask you again. 2 slippers. 2 of them are your one?
Yes, it was them. Look at them. Yo.
Pinky, you sure?
I really you they send for
You
me.
sure?
Listen now.
Pinky, you sure? So you
And me
alone there?
one day and me say, listen now. Remember, Jesus Christ. Listen now. Remember say, me dey carry belly fear me lose here. I come.
You no lose it. You dash your belly.
No, me no dash you
Just
away.
like how you dash your
Me
belly.
no dash you a lose, me
And some
lose
get
it.
one hard for dash your way. But I tell you something. Regardless of dash your belly, me used to enjoy when we used to run up and down in the jungle. So you are going on now. You see, the person who send me for you, I owe him a favor. And I tell you, so you see, favor when I owe him, it's not small, it's big. So I respect the time you used to run up and down in the jungle. So I give you a chance. So you know, what I want you to do for me right now, I want you to take care of yourself. You listen what I say? What I want you to do?
Take on myself.
You know hear what I say?
Come on, babe.
Jesus Christ, Bobby, what happened?
You don't know, say.
What happened?
You know?
What happened? What wrong? We got thief, Bobby.
But make a thief if you come out of your mouth first,
But
man.
that me know you.
You don't know, say. Wait now. You don't know, say me dep on the ends round the road. So me a wait for the cash pot jar. Dep on my phone. And look a fool just pull up on me. Me think him all I man them and me a friend in a youth.
So your friend do this to you, Bobby, what me can never turn the yard every day you go buy cash back, Bobby, Jesus
Man, them a
Christ,
tell
yo.
me say they want me come back in a game, brother. I'm not dep on that with none of them.
You mad? And when you
And
did in a jail, none of them never did a feel.
I same thing me look on the man them and tell him say.
Come go look on the room. Come go look on. Come. Okay. Come. Oh. Jesus. Take time.
Wait.
Oh, take time. Take your time.
I mean, man.
Father.
I mean, man. No, you wonder what go on, you know.
You know, easy, you know, my God.
School, man. So you
I
did.
wonder what go on, look where my father.
I tell you, man.
Jaja, you out.
Where you look so? Where you come from?
Jaja.
Eh?
There, man. You know, it's a big man thing.
Mm.
I want to look at thing, I try still. Yeah, I want to look at thing, I
What
try.
Where you try?
And you need to work out still, you see me? Why? Father, me I wonder if I'm a sinner bite me or what. Because I know me evil, you know. But anyhow, me I say I want to look at thing, I try still and you need to work out. You see me? You know, say, you know me and my daughter.
Oh, yeah, man.
Although I not put her in a picture, I not edit him in my life. But I keep him on a level. I know say mama, her birthday today. And I asked mother to bring her out. And she has like she has skin. Yeah, like she can't go in a drive.
So she has spite or she feel like she has spite?
Boy, I wonder, you know, but I feel like a spite, you know.
But she feel like a you she has spite or you she has spite?
I spite, you know. So anyhow, you know, I not too like the crowd, I not too like the movie, I not too like the party. But I just decide, say, yo, I have to do this.
You try?
So I try, yeah, I try. But it don't work out. But I can't say I never try. So I just feel, I feeling back, you know, I want to go shuffling. You know, from here shuffling.
Yeah.
I'm a jar, I'm a charger roll, you know. Yeah, I'm a browning roll. Double cock 14 shooter, one in head and nothing in the chamber.
Mad, right.
But as I do so boom and prep. That's how you. I look at things, I'm a boy where a long time I do this, because I just do this. Maybe I have to go Lego tree and ask how that.
That's true, I really
I like how he's not a boy where, you know. But anyhow, what are you dealing? Oh God, my friend, man, head up on, Jaja, yo.
They are family, they are.
Glad to see you, my friend, head up on.
You know, say, regular, trying to make a dollar, trying to connect certain dots, trying to, you know, circulate certain things. But
one thing I know about you not pop up unless it's a reason, you know. I know about you, you know, my God.
Right, that's so. But, a mission I'm going to send upon. I just want to, yo, and disrespect, I don't know, say, for you get a mission, you have to sort it out and wait. I'm on the account already. And say,
we get mission, we add up a month.
Yeah. You know, I say that sitting there kind of a bubble because I don't like when people disrespect me. You know, when people pull
but no disrespect still in my general. All the mission I send me upon, you know.
Real talk.
Whole heap of mission, you know.
Real talk.
So you have to just download the right one in my system and tell
you know, and by the girl I myself is sort out.
Oh, the slimmers?
Yeah.
The browners?
Yeah.
If me deal with it, Father, what you say? I download that for a long time and share. You know about it?
No, you know.
You know about it in the street?
No, man, you know, say me is a brother.
You don't check up on Popeye?
No, I'm not really check on social media like that. Cause you know, me have to stay off of them something. Cause them think there is a, you know, it's a hard life. You know, hold your head down. You know, me is a brother have to look up. Cause, you know, phone, as a phone have you. You know, most people walk and look up and, but anyway, I'm glad to deal with that.
Father, I dealt with it, man. I not deal with it.
Yeah,
I dealt with it.
Respect, man.
You get what I say?
Confirmation.
I want to tell you, say, before I dealt with it, when him see me, you want to come like when in shock. You know, when you're current and a person meet up in shock. And before me give it to him, me feel like him passed away before him get it. Brother, but me make him get it.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you something, man. You see, me as a person, I like people disrespect me. And disrespect me take it deep.
Feeling my my friend, man.
That's why from them time that if a man's, you know, or anybody will disrespect me a certain way, your number me call. I mean, you know, I'm always grateful for no say. I always just, you know what I mean?
But bossy, you know me not do work and question it. You see me? But you know say when me reach to him, him say if I made them send, like she not expect a visit from me.
Don't worry about this, man. That's so good.
That's a code.
You know what I mean?
That's a code, boss.
Certain things just left alone. Just do what you do, you do it and everything good.
Yeah, man, that's a code.
You know what I mean? But me have maybe one next 2 missions for deal with in the future because, you know, certain things shift. And when you current now, really flow the real way, you know.
Boss, watch on, man. Not say 40 or 50, man.
Yeah.
Anything you saw, say if a few or 3 mission, you know the code already.
Yeah, man.
You see me? No 7 star, no phone.
Well said.
Just link up and I hit that.
Alright. So,
darkness, you know.
We'll step out.
One in the head, you know.
Wool up in that chamber.
Hear that?
Right, that's the
big up yourself, here.
Bless up all the way. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
To Bolby, you know. We just come back from the doctor with him like in friend them when I friend them shot him today. Me no know what go on. If you tell the truth, me no know what. But he alright, he get medication and then something there. He good differently. Yeah.
Girl.
Yeah, mommy, alright. But me go call her back here. Yeah, man, later. Yeah.
My 5 phone now.
Girl, what happened to you? Me have to dip on the phone now. Where you want now?
Girl, how all the things are going right now?
I want what?
When you say me can't stay,
Yeah, you can stay, you know, say welcome here anytime. And why problem now?
you see, they me yard a while ago. A man pull gun off of me.
Who do that? Who do that?
Girl,
I
man
want
pull
Pinky
gun
talk
off of
now.
man pull gun off of me and chill. So for you say me can't stay, you say you don't even know how this mean a lot to me right
But
now.
Pinky,
Right now,
why reason why I'm pulling gun off you? What happened?
right now, I'm not supposed to do out of say, you know, I'm not supposed to do out of so I show up front. Alright, here we go on. See the man who me a chat to. Matter of fact, the man who me there with. He come to my yard and he give me his strap. And say me to hold on pan it. So, me have his strap now, me a hold on pan it and he come back so sudden. So me I say, hey, you come back so sudden. So, when me didn't know, he said, go for the bag. So me go for the bag. And me give him the bag. But the strap never in the bag.
So where strap did it?
The strap did in the house, girl. So you know, say, the man grab me in my neck and shoot me in the wall. So me I say, bad girl not take chuck in a wall and grab in a neck. So I go in the house now. I go for the strap. And I lift up upon him and say, yo, left me yard now.
Lift up his strap on him?
What you mean?
Jesus
and
Christ,
crank you up and say, yo, left me yard.
Pinky, this
So,
is
I like when the man there pull up my thing in you. Yo, I'm not tell her, brother, I'm not supposed to do it, that's it.
Yo,
so I lift up upon him now and I run him out of the yard. I want to say run out like 10, you know? So, then I'm in yard good now and I say, one man I tell me say, one day one man I say lift up and one man I say stay. So by the time I go so boom now and come out of the house. And the gunman me buck up in her.
Jesus Christ.
Me have to say Jesus Christ. Me have to start to start to plead to the man. And I see me girl run, look for me head. I run.
You see, so Mama, you can't understand.
Huh?
You can't turn out there, so I'm not talking in the yard. You have to go in the house. Coming on, nobody knows say you say it.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
It's a constant battlefield, yeah. It's a spiritual field. Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstars. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor have me strapped with bees. Same man no time just for call police. Cause them take too long to read. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them in struggle for eat. Cause see the body's the end thing. Good is out the system. Right there so the system reads. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? Are we living in a mental phase? How when I think about the greater ones who fought for us, oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn to keep the fire burning. Now it's our turn to keep this fire burning. You can't find peace unless you win the war. Strap it, please. Drop it. Say what? Can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for.